بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Quraysh. Surah Quraysh starts off with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Li'ilafi Quraysh. Allah did this to make Quraysh feel secure and united. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do? Who are the Quraysh? If you look back to the previous surah, Surah Al-Fil, Allah protected the Kaaba from the companions of the elephant, as Abraha and his soldiers were trying to destroy the Kaaba. Allah made Abraha and his army like chewed straw. Now Surah Quraysh continues from Surah Al-Fil. That's why it says, Allah did this to make Quraysh feel secure and united, safe and secure from Abraha and his companions. Quraysh was an enormous tribe who was divided into many clans such as Banu Hashim, in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born. When they saw the miracle of Allah destroying Abraha, all the hearts were united towards the Kaaba. People of Quraysh took special care of the Kaaba and its problems and were very respected amongst the people. But this same tribe later became the enemies of Islam. The next verse says, إِلَافِهِمْ رِحْلَةَ الشِّتَاءِ وَالصَّيْفِ. Allah caused them to be safe in trading during the winter and in the summer. The Quraysh used to travel to Yemen in the winter where it was warm, and to Syria in the summer where it was cooler, for the purpose of business and trade, and have many blessings in both winter and the summer. With Allah's blessings, they traveled safe on their journeys as they were the caretakers of the Kaaba. Allah also planned to keep them safe for the arrival of the Prophet Muhammad, who was to come from the tribe of Quraysh in the holy place Mecca. The next verse says, فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ. They should worship the Lord of this house, the Kaaba. When Quraysh were granted all these blessings, they should have worshipped Allah who provided them with such blessings. They should have worshipped the one God alone, but rather they had many idols and statues around the Kaaba, worshipping them. The next verse says, الَّذِي أَطْعَمَهُم مِّن جُوعٍ وَآمَنَهُم مِّن خَوْفٍ. The same Lord who provides them with food when they are hungry and security when they are in danger. So from the beginning of the surah, it speaks about the tribe of Quraysh and how Allah had given them blessings, how Allah protected them from Abraha and his army. There Allah tells them to worship Him alone, who is the real owner of the Kaaba. But the people of Quraysh transformed this holy Kaaba into worshipping statues. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, preached the message of Islam and to worship Allah alone, they became the enemies of the Prophet Muhammad. So this surah is like a warning for Quraysh, telling them to worship Allah only, who could destroy and humiliate them just as he did with Abraha and his army. What can we learn from this surah is that never take Allah's blessings for granted. Don't forget who really gave them to you. And by thanking Allah for the blessings He has provided, we should worship Him and obey Him in all matters, the one who provides us with food and safety.
صدق الله العليم.